five. A five. They're so cute.
And mommy.
The mommy's mama.
And her baby.
Ah! It's so fun like that. Ah! They're kissing on me. They're drinking her milk. That's what they drink.
They're little puppies.
I want them.
Drinking milk.
Do they drink milk?
Yeah, look, that's milk right there.
Only one.
We want the black one.
You like the black one?
Yeah, we want the little tiny black one. We
Go
have
ahead.
I can't hold it. I like how the tail is like that. Daddy, like how the tail is like that? How big is the how big are they?
How old are they?
They're 40, what kind of 50 days? ¿Y cuántos días, no? 50 days today.
50 days. So 50 days old with mommy.
They eat by themselves. She still doesn't have that much milk, but you know.
Like it's normal that they're after her, right?
Oh.
It's like
This were their parent, her parents. Okay, I know my nephew put it upside down.
he'll look at it. He'll check it out. Is this? I want to be able to show him this one. Like if we decide, I want to be able to show him the video when he gets big. My son. It's a big deal for us to be. We lost our dog last year. He passed, and he was 15 years old. So he was home when he came in and from the hospital. So it's a big deal for us. Yeah.
This is the second breed that we had. No more.
Oh, the second litter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
First time she had 10, but the last one died.
Oh, the litter. Oh.
And then this one had 7.
You guys have the father?
Yeah, I'm going to show you the father. And this is the paper for the father.
Ruben, go over there for a minute. Go over there.
Those are her parents.
Ooh.
Okay. So this is the boyfriend. And this is mine. Let me show you another that.
Look at the doggy. Hey doggy. Doggy. Ah!
Be careful, Ruben, with the puppies. Wait. Soft.
Hi.
Your little face. Come here.
Hey, come here.
She's
Ah!
awesome. You know, hurts my dog. So like she didn't put a picture, but we did. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that and that. That's up to you if you want to register.
Ruben,
I have
say bye. Say we're picking our puppy. Which one do you like?
The black one. The little small black one.
This one right here?
see
My, look at my dog.
Let me see. Ah. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, Ruben, look at me.
of course, you know, if she doesn't know you, you know.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye. See you later, alligator.
Say bye. Look at me.
Or close it. This one you have to
Ah,
picture.
you're going around.
You know, I play around back and forth.